Alright, so we'll start with genes and environment. Big debate, which is more important. You guys wrote a paper about this a month ago or 2 months ago, and most of you put what is more important in the way you develop and turn out. Environment was the most common. It's also called nature versus nurture. So nature versus nurture, how you're brought up. What is more important in the way that people turn out? There's a family that I know, there's at least 3 boys. There's 3 boys that I know of. 2 of them played basketball, 1 of them was a wrestler. And I am not promoting any sport over another sport, but the wrestler is short and the basketball players are tall. And in the back of my mind, I kind of wonder what happens when you're a wrestler? And he wrestled since he was a little kid. What do you do a lot when you wrestle? You have to make weight. You cut weight. You watch what you eat. And part of it, I don't know what they were like when they were little. Maybe he wrestled because he was short and wasn't very good at basketball. Or maybe he's short because he did not eat all that he was supposed to. Clark, we had wrestling, and I had 2 very close friends that were wrestlers. And they would sit and they'd bring the trash bucket by them and they'd sit and they'd spit during class trying to make weight, and you'd go and you'd eat lunch and they'd not eat anything, and then they'd weigh in and then they'd go wrestle, and then afterwards it's, let's go to McDonald's and let's eat 5 Whoppers, or not Whoppers at McDonald's, but obviously that is not good for your body. Most traits that you get are polygenic. They come from many different genes. You don't have one gene that makes you tall, one gene that gives you eye color. Most traits are polygenic, and they don't come from one parent. So even though we've said that before, you might look more like your mom, or you might act more like your dad, that doesn't mean that you have more from one or the other. In order for you to be the best that you can be, you really need the best environment possible and the best genes that are possible. With Logan, working in nursing now, she'll talk about kids that, even in the Mitchell area, there's suspect of, child abuse and things like that. Everybody's environment is not the same. So when we look at human genetics, human blood types, we'll talk about that. If you're in forensics, we've talked about this. Anatomy, we've talked about it. Recessive alleles, dominant alleles, codominant alleles. We've talked about all of those. Page 345. Open your books to page 345, and we're going to look at some of those.